Opportunity Analysis Project Group 4 Pizza Paste. The global toothpaste industry currently is in excess of $11 billion. As a new startup company, our goal would be to capture 0.001% of that global market, or about $110,000 in business the first year. As a small startup company, we want to keep things in perspective and keep things small to see how the project takes off. Plus, the capital and the overhead that we would need to start a company like this would be probably pretty heavy, and we want to make sure that we're within the means and range to do that. Basically, to test our value proposition, we interviewed 21 people and children, ranging from age 4 to 8 years old, the children in the age range of 4 to 8, 21 adults with children. Overall, the majority of the responses was basically anything that we can do to make them brush their teeth would be worth a try to them. They would spend money on that, and with the cost threshold that we determined, would be very likely to succeed. We described the product and packaging to each participant in our survey. Basically, it would look like a small pizza oven and would have individual toothpaste single-serve packets for each day of the month. So you're talking 31 packets in a box that looks like a pizza oven. And then you would open the pizza oven and take them out and do a single-serve squeeze into the toothbrush. And they were very excited about that. So we will be posting our survey and information soon on that. 43% of the respondents asked about what different flavors of toothpaste. At the beginning, we said just pizza flavor, kind of like Combos does. We wanted to follow that model just to have one pizza flavor, and then we could go into other toppings like Hawaiian with the pineapple, things like that, pepperoni sausage, meat lovers, buffalo chicken. So just to give the children a wide variety of selection and really broaden our market. Although we want to make sure that we're staying within the framework for children, so we can make sure that things aren't too spicy or overdone or anything like that. Basically, 6% commented on the packaging safety, especially if we had something that breaks off for the single-serve packets. So we were really thinking something like maybe a barbecue container that you get from Wendy's or something like that has a rip-off on the top, so there's no choking hazard there, or something that stays put and just you bend up a piece. So that was definitely something we looked at. 1%, of course, commented on the green packaging, the amount of waste, especially with single serves, so that's something we definitely want to take into consideration. 94% of people were so excited they're asking us where they could buy the product. So that's the other problem that we would run into, or other thing that we would have to look into, is our supply chain. Where would we be? Who would produce this for us? But also, where would we market this? How would we get the labeling done? All those things that come with a new startup company we would have to look at. And 100% of them asked, what are you looking at as far as cost? So it's absolutely something they're concerned about. We knew that we would have to do that. So, basically going back to the questions that we were asked to do in the OA, do customers have a problem, you think? Do we still think they have a problem that we could solve with our product? Absolutely we do. Parents have a difficult time getting their children to brush their teeth, mainly due to toothpaste taste and just getting the time to pull back from playtime. So if you can make it more like playtime, they would be more encouraged or more apt to brush their teeth. And if so, how do they currently solve it? How much are they willing to pay for a solution? Some parents have reported having as many as 4 different toothpastes at home. So, and also with the toothpaste, they're having different toothbrushes. So it might be something we want to look at in the future. So as many as 4 different kinds of toothpaste flavors. And with that, generally paying between $3 and $5 per tube. So our price range would be starting at $3 for a tube of toothpaste, or if we go as much as, you could say that families are spending as much as $20 just on children's toothpaste. Were they interested in our solution? Absolutely. Are they willing to pay for it? Yes. Anything, like they said, that was willing to do that, and anything we believe under $5 would be something that they're kind of one of those buys that could even be spontaneous, that they're not looking at, well, we have to save up money to buy it. It's something that you need, something that you use. If it had the fluoride and did the same cavity protection as their regular toothpaste, there's not a question that they would be interested in trying the product. So, are there different problems that they're much more interested in that you could solve for them? Possibly educating their children on how important it is to brush their teeth. But again, we said it's a multi-million-dollar question. I mean, you can't do that. I mean, educating them at such a young age Will it work? Won't it? We're not sure. What's the magic bullet? If we're still pursuing the same idea, or have we changed our idea? No, we're going ahead with pizza paste. We believe that it's going to be something that we could certainly market, and we want to go on and see what kind of costs we have and move forward with our projects. Okay, thank you.